even better. Skechers, first of all, so knit upper, fun little rhinestone embellishments, open back mule styling, but what you step into, cushioned memory foam insole. Easy to slip right on, and then you have that little bit of fun and sparkle within the knit that feels like a little glove on your foot. Encore presentation of the big deal. If you weren't shopping over the weekend, 8,500 orders have been placed over the weekend. So take an $11 easy pay. That's a charge on a credit card to get them home. We have sizes 5 through 11, whole and half sizes, medium and wide widths, and you are on the go. By the way, that is the Denim & Company $20 French terry little jacket right there. A perfect match. A lot of these colors, they're a perfect match. Here are your color choices. Here we have the sage, and that's the one that Gabrielle is wearing. It's kind of like more of an aqua, I would say, than a sage. This one is lilac, and look at how the outsole matches back. Navy, I'm sure has been very popular. That one has a light gray outsole. Black, totally tonal, but you really see the sparkle on these darker colors. And then finally, the natural, which is such an easy neutral. You don't have to think about it. It will match everything. A675103 is your item number. Angela Bailey is here. She brings us Skechers. So good to see you.
This is cute.
Thank you. Coming up, Peace Love World, brand new today. And look at how we both are. Jeans.
I know, we're very similar.
And sweaters right now. But then these with like a little maxi dress with your shorts. I mean, you wear now and then you wear into the next couple seasons.
It's so true. Because when you get a mule home, it's the easiest shoe in your closet.
I know. You just like whoosh.
And you have good coverage. So, I mean, even if I'm running out and about today, running errands, I'm fine in a mule during the day. I mean, if it starts snowing tomorrow, I might change courses and go to one of my Skechers boots. But
which could very easily happen.
It very well may happen. But this is just that style. You get it home now. You will immediately love it. It will take you through to spring and summer. Everything about it is simplicity, but just a little bit of pizzazz because of those beautiful embellishments, this rhinestone that's embedded in our stretch knit. So that feels like a sock. It's super soft. So none of those rhinestones you're feeling on the inside. No. All you're feeling is super soft knit, and it's stretchy in the perfect way, like not overly stretchy, not, you know, too tight. It's like a perfect gauge in my opinion. When you get inside this, know that you're not going to slip back out the back because of that generous heel cup and a little even extra cushion there. You're welcome. And then we give you that memory foam heel to toe that just, you just slide in and feel the goodness. And speaking of goodness, you get extra wiggle room in the toe box. So it's just the most comfortable, relaxed feeling, like your favorite sweatshirt, your favorite pair of worn-in jeans. Yeah. That's what you feel like out of the box with this. It's a sneaker bottom called the Easygoing. Amazing traction to give you that really nice, secure feeling when you're walking. You're very gripped to the ground. So much technology with the lightweight flexibility in that midsole. It is a sneaker bottom on like a more elevated silhouette. It's from our active division. So not so sporty, more casual that we can wear like all the time, but you're feeling like it's a sneaker.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, it truly is when you put it like this and you just look at the sole. If you turned on the TV, you'd be like, oh, that's a sneaker.
Right.
But
this
then
looks like a sneaker, but then, ooh, surprise.
And no wonder it's been so popular all weekend because we've been celebrating our Super Style sale this whole entire weekend. We're bringing you new. These were brand new over the weekend. If you missed the weekend, I'm usually off for the weekend, so when I'm off, I'm off. I would have missed them. I'm so excited that we have continued this, this sale here for the Monday, where we get 5 easy payments on everything. So in this case, $11 to get them home, and then the sale price continues as well. So we've taken $10 off the price. I have these NYDJ jeans coming up in just a little bit. I think it's so cute. We're seeing a lot more of the crop or ankle length, so you really get to see how pretty your shoes are. And then if you're traveling, these are great because you can wear them all day long as you are sightseeing. Go through security and you just slide right into them. 400 pairs have been ordered. I am wearing the, is it natural?
Natural.
Yes,
natural. And I love those because it's tonal, natural all the way to the ground.
Can match anything.
I'm wearing the lilac, which I also love. We tinted the midsole with this one.
I like
so
that.
It's not like it kind of elevates it. It's a little sleeker, because if that was a white outsole, I think it would make it a little sportier. But now I have this just beautiful look, and the lilac I'm crushing on.
I love it too. Actually, that one would go with my sweater.
It would go with your sweater.
I could have chosen almost all of these. So this is the lilac. The navy I could have gone with as well.
Yep.
It has been most popular, just to let you know, because this was huge over the weekend. My sweater, the information is on your screen, brand new today. You're the first to see it, coming up in just a little bit. But the navy, if you wear a lot of denim, from lightest to medium wash to a deep indigo, these will be an easy match. And the darker ones, look at how you see the sparkle on the darker ones. So here's the navy, here's the black, all tonal. If you have to wear a black shoe in the service industry, why not have a little sparkle with it?
Exactly.
Natural, and then that is called sage, but don't you think it's a little more aqua?
I do.
Okay.
It gives me like Turks and Caicos water vibes.
Yes, yes.
It's pretty.
It's so pretty. They're all faceted. They're all kind of like that, what's the color? Like Aurora Borealis color, except for the black.
Has
the black
like
one has
black rhinestones. Yeah.
Super cute. Thank you. Love you. $11 easy pay. Free shipping goes away at the end of the day. Coming up in about 8 minutes, we have a brand new